How to change a background color. First insert one picture, then go to selection tool and select one image over here. See, I selected this part of the picture. After selecting, you have to add a layer. I'm already add this layer over here. After that, you have to select this option, create a new fill or adjustment layer. Then in this you have to select a solid color. See what is happening. After selecting a solid color, the color will get selected inside the picture. I want to change the background color over here. So what you have to do, you have to select this. After selecting, select any solid color and just click on OK. And click on this color fill 1. Okay, color fill 1. After selecting, you have to click on invert image. Now after selecting this layer mask icon, you have to go to properties and select the invert button over here. Select properties and select the invert button. See, okay, my background get changed over here. Understood how to change the background?